Yeah, hello, welcome to my application programming interface tutorial number 3. I would highly recommend you to go and watch my tutorial number 1 and number 2 before watching this video. Okay, so now in tutorial number 1 we were able to set the header content to JSON and connect to database, and we are checking the user request here. After checking the user request, then here we create a function that will get all our users from our users table, and then after getting it all, we are encoding it to a JSON format, and then we are echoing it back to our client. So now let's go ahead and create the client side. This API.php file is a file that's going to be on our server. Okay, so now let's go and create the client side. So now this is our client side, just normal HTML document. Okay, normal HTML document like this, document type, header, I name it, called API data. So now here what we want to do here is we want to write a script, a JavaScript language, but because of time I already did that. I create a function called send request, and what this does is that this JavaScript function sends a request to our API.php file, which is going to be on our server. And then here we are setting the HTTP request. Here we are setting the HTTP request. After setting the we don't need this. Okay, after setting the HTTP request, here we are open the request, and then what we want to do here, we want to get all our content. We want to get all our users. Okay, so here we are sending a GET request, and then we are sending a GET request to this URL API.php, and then our string, what we are passing here is client.request. So here this client.request, if we send it, this file here is going to check the user request. If the user request is client.request, then it's going to call this function. Okay, so now and then again the client request is going to get all users. So now let's do something. Let us try and do something here. So here we want to check if the client request, if this is equal to, if this guy is equal to get all users like this, then we want to call this function. Okay, you can do as you can write as many functions as possible. You can also check if, for example, you can also do something like let's say else if the request is equals to get parents. For example, you have a parent table, then you want to call parent, get parent. Or let's say if the request here is equals to, let's say delete user, then you want to call the delete user function. But I'm not going to create all this function for you. Okay, let's just go with this one. Okay, but I want you to do something like this. So right now I'm going to delete all this. We don't need all this. Okay, and then go with all this and go with this one. Okay, so now let's go back in here. So after sending all these requests, here we are setting the set request header to JSON type exactly as this, the way we did it like this. Okay, so the next thing, if we call this function, is going to check the unread state change function, and then it's going to check the HTTP request. If the HTTP request status is 4 and the HTTP status is equals to 200, then that means it's true. Okay, then we are initializing, we are declaring a variable called data. After declaring called data, we are then initially we are getting all our data into a JSON format. After getting it on JSON format, we want to we want to write to the console using console.log. So now let's try it out and see. Let's just try it out and see how it's gonna look at. So this is my browser and this is my get API detail.html localhost Suleiman API tutorial, and then let me just refresh. But now we're having an error. Let's check where's the error here. Then let's go back. Oh wow, this is select. This is select like this, and then let's come back to our browser and refresh. Yeah. So now this is our result. We are getting our result back. So now let's say we want to get a specific result. We want to loop through our table and then get our data. So what you want to do, I already do something like that because of time. So I will just copy it and paste in here. Yeah, I'll just copy and paste here like this. So here we are checking if the state is 4, which is true. Then we want to loop into we want to loop through our data and echo. We want to echo out the first name. Yeah. So now we are saying first name is equals data.object.first name, and this first name here is equals to the first name of our table. Yeah. Look at table user first name. You have to put the first name like this. So let's save and refresh. Wow, we are getting an error again. What is the error? Result is not defined. API get data on read change. Let's go and see the error. Let me just take it off. Let me take it off again and refresh. Wow, let's try it again and see. Let's refresh. Wow, error on cloud reference results. Result is not defined. Results. This is our result is not defined, so we have to come here and define it like this. Sorry. Okay, and then flap and boom. Yeah. So now here we are getting all the first name in our data in. Yeah, look at it. Oh, we are getting all the first name. If you want to get just the email address, we can see something like, if we want to get the email, for example, we can do something like this. Email is equals to email like this. Yeah, this is the email. We are getting all the emails here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try it using our restless client Chrome API tester. Okay, so let me just paste it. Let me just paste the URL and then send request. Wow, and boom, you see our response here 200. Okay, so now thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and you can download all the code from my GitHub account from the link below. Thank you.